What is innate immunity? Well, it's the first line of defense in the immune system. It has fast, immediate response, and there's nonspecific and no memory cells. Some of these specialized cells include the neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, and NK cells. All of these cells recognize PAMPs. PAMPs stands for pathogen-associated molecular patterns. You also have dendritic cells, which are a bridge to adaptive immunity. Today we'll be focusing on the macrophages, which are the police chief. Now you might be wondering, how are these macrophages useful? And we will find out.
We'll start off with what is a macrophage. In this video, we'll discuss four main purposes: phagocytosis, bactericidal mechanisms, antigen presentation, and cytokine production. We'll start with phagocytosis, which is the engulfment of foreign materials such as bacteria. This is where the macrophage got its name, which means big eater. When engulfed, the cell stores this foreign material in a little bubble called an endosome. Next is bactericidal mechanisms, which is used to destroy the foreign bacteria, but this is mostly mediated by the adaptive immune system, so we won't discuss it much here. Next is antigen presentation, which is very important to identifying microorganisms as non-self so that the immune system can begin its attack. Macrophages do this by breaking down engulfed pathogens and presenting fragments of them as antigens on their surface, which are then used further to teach adaptive immune cells to recognize pathogens in the future. Finally, cytokine production, which is used to alert of an infection and recruit other immune cells around the body. Within the innate immune system, this activates inflammation of local tissue and amplifies the activity of the innate immune response to resolve the infection as fast as possible.
So, to wrap it up, macrophages are really important for the body. They're like the body's cleanup crew and the first responders, all in one. They're a part of innate immunity, which is a fast, general defense system that jumps into action right away, without needing to learn who the enemy is. While adaptive immune systems take time to build specialized responses, innate immunity is always on duty, and macrophages are right at the center of that action. They patrol like security guards and swallow things up. They're kind of like Pac-Man, gobbling up the bad guys. At the same time, they send signals for backup, making sure the rest of the immune system knows what's going on. Without macrophages, infections would have a big head start. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time!